My people, this is James Okorie. Oh, I'm James Okorie. Now, I know that you might be wondering what I'm doing with what and what I'm with. This is James Okorie Technical Institute, where we train people practically on anything that concerns solar and automation. But today, I want us to understand that before you can become an automation engineer, there are some certain things you need to master. Come from let me show you. Here with me are contactors. As an automation engineer, the first thing you need to master how to use is contactor. What's a contactor? When you look at this, they are electrical switchgears which are being used to automatically power and control electrical loads. Remember, we say automatically, it means that they can be used for automation. Now, looking at these contactors, they make use of current to function. It means that instead of you pressing it manually, you can as well use current to operate it. How do you do that? It means that contactors function on the application of electromagnetic force, in the sense that when you supply current to the coil of the contactor, it will energize and function automatically on its own. Now, let's get to the code. We said that today we are talking about contactors. I will say that they are being used to automatically power and control electrical loads. Remember, as an automation engineer, you need to master what contactor is all about. Let's quickly go to the terminal categories of contactors. Because knowing a contactor is one thing, knowing how to use a contactor is another thing. So we are talking about contactors, and we'll talk about terminal categories of contactors. There are three terminal categories of contactors. Three terminals that you must master. Number one is what we call the main or the power terminals of contactors. So we talk about number one, main, or you call it power terminal of contactors. They are labeled L1, L2, L3. If it's 4-pole contactor, you will see L4. And again, the outputs are labeled T1, T2, T3. If it's 4-pole contactor, we see T4. L1 is input, while T1 is the output of L1. T2 is the output of L2. T3 is the output of L3. T4 is the output of L4. So this is input, while these are output. The power terminal, or even the main terminals of contactors, are the terminals of contactors that enables you to supply current from the source to the load. When you check this contactor, come closer. This contactor, the terminals which are the power terminals are here. When you check, you see these are the power terminals. This is what you call the L1, L2, L3, T1, T2, T3. The T1 is output of L1, T2 is output of L2, T3 is output of L3. Now there are other terminal categories of contactors, which includes the control terminals and the auxiliary terminals. This is where we cut this video. In our next video, we are going to talk about the control terminal of contactor and the auxiliary terminal of contactor, which makes up the three terminal categories of contactors. And in James Okorie, this is where you learn automation raw, where you learn automation practically. At James Okorie Technical Institute, we are committed to training people on anything that concerns solar energy inverter installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, AutoCAD design, smart home automation. And we are located at number 1 and Avenue Street in Lagos State. You can come for our physical training, or you can enroll for our online training. You can call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen now. Now we have a lot of practical books which are powerfully and practically written by my humble self in James Okorie. So you can get the PDF of this book, or you can get the hard copy of this book. Just call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen now. I will see you in my next video. I'm James Okorie. Thank you.